This video was created as the learning portfolio of using Publipreneur-based language learning (PBLL) collaborative project as thematic approach for non-native speakers of English in Indonesia. Here the learners were scouted to use basic skill of language reading, writing, listening, speaking within the learning steps starting from pre-writing, drafting, revising, editing, publishing, marketing, delivering. It is suggested that after watching video, the viewers would give comment, like and subscribe.
PBLL for Information Technology Business, proposed to Dr. Zalzulifah, MPD. Outline: Publipreneur-based language learning (PBLL) is to fulfill one of tasks of the English-specific purpose course, which is managed by Dr. Zalzulifah, MPD. Collaboration project with publishing, broadcasting, and photography, PT Design Web, Politeknik Negeri Media Kreatif. Student name: Elsa Riana, 3A Publishing. Jozahana Fauzia, 1B Broadcasting. Muhammad Faransyah, 1B Photography. Muhammad Hafiz Fahlevi, 1A Photography. Guiding Lecturer: Dr. Zalzulifah, MPD. Table of Content. Preface. Chapter 1. Introduction. 1.1 Company Profile. 1.2 Vision and Mission of the Company. 1.3 Purpose. 1.4 Background. 1.5 PT Design Web. 1.6 Company Address. 1.7 Business Analysis. Chapter 2 Letter of Business for Shipping Business. Chapter 3 Memo Writing about Shipping Business. Chapter 4 Inquiry Writing about Shipping Business. Chapter 5 Organizational Structure and Curriculum Vitae. 2.1 Organizational Structure. 2.2 Curriculum Vitae. Chapter 6 Closing, Conclusion and Recommendation. Bibliography. Preface. Praise and gratitude. We pray to God Almighty for His blessing and mercy. The author can complete the proposal for this business technology company to be abandoned on time. Do not forget, we thank you for the assistance of Mr. Dr. Zalzulifah, MPD, as a lecturer of the English course, who has contributed both moral and material suggestion. 1. Parent, who always provide prayer and support. 2. College in arms, who always provide encouragement and support as well as motivation in completing this proposal. 3. And other parties that the author cannot mention one by one. The intent and purpose of preparing this proposal is to provide an overview and explanation of the business plan that will be met. Apart from the purpose, this proposal was made to meet the criteria for meeting the target assignment in English courses. The author realized that in this preparation, this proposal still has many shortcomings and is far from perfect. Therefore, the author expects a response from reader in the form of criticism and constructive suggestion to perfect in compiling further proposals. Jakarta, October 2020. Author. Chapter 1. Introduction. 1.1 Company Identity. The business to be built is called Web Design or DW. The choice of name is taken from one of the applications for web designing, namely Dreamweaver or often called DW, which makes the name more familiar and easy to remember and remains trendy and modern in the IT world. Business field and legal form of business. The business entity we have founded is new and does not yet have a legal entity that looks at it, but in its development, we will propose an NPWP so that we have a permanent legal entity. For the application program, we will use an application that is open source, free to avoid piracy problems. 1.2 Vision and mission of the company. Vision. The vision of this web design is making web design a unique web design business with the character and characteristic of each product made. Mission. The mission carried by web design is to provide service with the best quality product. 1.3 Company goals and objective. In addition to looking for large profit, the purpose of this web design business is to take advantage of exciting potential. Although they often encounter web design creation service, there are still many entrepreneurs who pay less attention to the quality and customer comfort process of the product they make. 1.4 Background. The company target for web design customer is people and organizations that need an information system, namely a website, as facility to introduce the organization through cyberspace. From the research result, the company knows the target market in the location. The target market that the company presents is one of the representation and segment in entering the market area. This is very important starting point for understanding the segment and target market that exists in surrounding environment. The following area some of the target customer that the company has confirmed, including 1. Agency or institution, 2. Small companies or CV, 3. Student, 4. Online businessman, 5. Society. 1.5 PT Design Web. PT Design Web is a company engaged in the service sector, and we also have computer parts to make it easier for customer to buy and fix damaged computer. And you are also devoted to web design, fixing broken computer, and so on. Our team has sufficiently qualified resources to run a business in the field of web design service, proven by having been street vendors in IT field and having several competency certificates. Several skills mastered by team members. 1. Mastering HTML and PHP web programming. 2. Mastering website creation with Joomla, Macromedia, Dreamweaver, WordPress, Blogspot.com, MS Office Publisher. 3. Mastering the creation of simple programs or software based on a database with MySQL Access SQL Server. 4. Mastering the web server. 1.6 Company address. PT Design Web has many branches in Indonesia. The head office of this company in Jakarta. Address PT Design Web, Jalan TB Simatupang number 1A, RT 6, RW 6, Kelurahan Tanjung Barat, Kecamatan Jagakarsa, Jakarta Selatan. Postcode 12530. Phone number 0217783425. 1.7 Business Analysis. Strength, kekuatan. The strengths of web design are 1. Selling product for all people in general. 2. Complete accessories. 3. Provide product warranty. 4. Providing comfortable and quality service. 5. Strategic location. Weakness, Kelemahan. The disadvantage of web design are 1. There is no inventory at the time of ordering goods, still one place, and do not have branches. 2. The management is not neat. 3. Human resource capabilities that have not been able to fulfill consumer desires. 4. Because it is still a new business, the promotion is still not widespread. Opportunity, peluang. The opportunity of the web design venture are 1. There are many places that specialize in providing web design and repair service. 2. Many are looking for cheap and quality website creation service. Threat, ancaman. The threats that exist from the web design business are 1. The number of service sellers who offer more complete facility and lower price. Chapter 2. Letter of Business for Shipping Business. PT Design Web. Jalan TB Simatupang number 1A, RT 6, RW 6, Kelurahan Tanjung Barat, Kecamatan Jagakarsa, Jakarta Selatan. Postcode 12530. Phone number 0217783425. Jakarta. To Mr. Tio, Manager. Jalan Prof. Dr. Satrio number Cav 1. Jakarta Selatan 12950. For Mr. Through this letter, let us introduce our company to you. Our company, called PT Design Web, is engaged in service according to the information we collect. PT Web Design is a company that aims to provide service to customer while helping customer own computer good easily, quickly, and effectively. In this case, let us over some of the service we can provide. Together with this letter, we will attach it. If companies want to work together and need our service, simply contact us via telephone number 02177833425 and we will provide more detailed information about our company work system. We hope that this offer can be continued in the form of cooperation that benefit both parties. If interested, we are ready to make presentation and conduct further discussion. This, we submit the offer letter. Thank you for your attention. Sincerely, Elsa Riana. Chapter 3. Memo Writing about Shipping Business. To all staff from Elsa Riana, Director of PT Web Design. Date, October 10, 2020. Subject, Service Improvement, Transactions, and Partnerships. We convey this to inform all staff who works at the company PT Web Design to improve service to clients and customers to build better relationships. Implement standards, operating procedures for several transactions and partnerships with customer or clients in a friendly, courteous, and kind manner. Give the best to customer. To all staff from Elsa Riana, Director of PT Web Design. Date, October 10, 2020. Subject, Maintenance of computer, goods and tools. We convey this to the employee staff so that they don't forget to always check the goods that go in and out. The record entitled properly so that the goods are safe and there is no damage, so there are no mistakes in matters of incoming and outgoing goods. Chapter 4. Inquiry Writing about Shipping Business. Question and answers about the company. 1. What are the advantages of PT Web Design? The advantages of PT Web Design. We provide online computer repair. We are also ready to come to your home to repair damaged computers, and we also serve to create attractive design on the internet. 2. Why just better web design? Because apart from repairing damaged computer and making web design, we also provide complete computer equipment from spare part to upgrading computer. 3. Is the company PT is web design profitable for consumer? Obviously, profitable because this company prioritizes customer trust, where we will guarantee good and quality goods. 4. What product will be offered by PD Web Design? A. Computer installation. Reinstall the operating system for PC and laptop use Windows XP operating system, Windows Vista, Windows 7, Windows 8, Linux, Windows Server. Install application programs such as application for music, videos, office, multimedia, and games. B. Web design. Creation of website for personal, organizational, and commercial purpose. Online database, HTML and PHP website creation. Jumlah-based website. Free hosting and premium hosting. C. Web blog. Creating a blog with blogspot.com, creating a blog with WordPress, web creation with Joomla. D. IT consulting. Consulting application software use problems. Consulting operating system use problem 18. Supporting service. Photo and video editing. Buy and sell computer accessories. Chapter 5. Organizational Structure and Curriculum Vitae. 2.1. Organizational Structure. Manager Elsa Riana. Treasurer Office Muhammad Faransyah. Computer Technician and Software Engineer Muhafiz Fahlevi. Secretary Yauzahana Fauzia. The test of the organizational structure. 1. Manager. Monitor or control development effort. Giving order or work assignments to the division. Serving consumers who makes repairs and demands for service. Answering questions and serving customer as online. Performing a contract or cooperation with the vendor as a product provider. 2. Secretary. Record all sales transactions, save and receive every invoice. Responsible to the manager. Receive job sheet from customer 20. Opening and closing stores or stalls. Doing promotion. Arranging merchandise. 3. Treasurer. Record money entering and leaving the office. Making financial reporting. Manage office finance. Hold office account. Payment and purchase of goods and service. Payment of employees' salaries. Opening and closing stores or stalls. Doing promotion. Arranging merchandise. 4. Technician, computer and software engineer. Fix every incoming customer. Make purchase of manufactured goods. Perform maintenance service. Manage tools for service. Make repairs indoors or outdoors. Opening and closing stores or stalls. Doing promotion. Arranging merchandise. Create and manage web design websites as online service media for consumer. Receive requests for website creation from consumers. Perform maintenance of the proposed website consumer. Opening and closing store stalls. 2.2 Curriculum Vitae. Manager of PT Design Web Elsa Riana. Treasurer Office of PT Design Web Muhammad Faransyah. Secretary of PT Design Web Jozana Fauzia, computer technician and software engineer of PT Design Web, Muhafiz Falefi. Chapter 6. Closing. Conclusion. The establishment of various business fields due to net society and market demand, which is very supportive of development business, especially business in the field of technology, which is increasingly advanced because very wide open for anyone who will try it. That too, who inspired us to build a business that we named web design, in addition to many defaults. This business in the IT field is also a business promising with a strategic business location and with new innovation can increase the amount of profit to be obtained and provide assurance that this business will be able to grow quickly. Suggestion. In order for the implementation of a business to run smoothly, we have some suggestions including 1. Believe that the business can be done. 2. Actively communicate. 3. Have a high work ethic. 4. Willing to listen to criticism and suggestion from others. 5. Not easily give up. 6. Able to produce quality product. This is our photo book.